In this video, let's see how to create AI-generated course using Coursezy. First of all, give the course topic and the description. For now, I will just leave it blank. Let's go to Next. Select the difficulty level of the course. And over here, you need to just select the number of chapters you want to generate. I will just give it 2. And over here, you need to select if you want to add quiz or not. So, let's just select yes and click on Finish button over here. So, on this page, if you want, you can just update the title of the course and description also. For now, I'll just leave it blank. And here also, you can do the same. And if you just click over here, you can just upload an image of the course. I'm just uploading an image for the course. And click on the Generate button. And let's just wait for a few seconds. And now, we can just click on Start Course. And we have this Share button as well. If you want to just share the course to others. For now, we'll just click on Start Course. Okay. Here we go. And we have this course over here. You can see this video also. Here we have the intro, the course, the topics, the subtopics, code snippets as well. We have this very detailed course right over here. In the quiz section, select the options and click on Submit. And you can just regenerate the new sets of questions regarding this chapter. Let's go to the next chapter now. And in the bottom, you can see this little icon over here. So, if you want, you can just ask any questions or doubts regarding this course. It will respond to your doubts in seconds. And is ready to help you 24/7. I hope you enjoyed the demo. See you next time.